Hi, I'm Mark. Thanks for choosing our compact pocket door frame. It's an easy-to-assemble solution designed to last. If you're unsure about any part of the installation or require assistance, we recommend contacting a qualified professional. There are also printed instructions that come in your packaging, or scan the QR code to download the latest instructions. To get started, you'll need a drill, a level, number 2 Phillips screwdriver, tape measure, hammer, and a chalk line. For materials, you'll need wood screws, finishing nails, 1-inch drywall screws, shims, and primer or sealer. The parts that are included in your kit contain pocket door frame assembly and the header with pre-installed soft open and soft close hardware. You'll also need a side jamb, which you can purchase along with your pocket door frame. The hardware bag contents included in your kit contain 8 cross-piece stiffeners, 2 door hanger plates, 2 hanging bolts, 2 door guides, 1 wrench, and various screws. Wow, look at that soft open. Fantastic. Well, that's it. That's how you assemble and install this new pocket door. Thank you very much.